At this point, I'm just a little confused, just a little. Okay, am I in Costco or BJ's? Is this still Dollar Tree? Because the reason I asked you guys that is this. You see they selling these value pack bags now, 10 single serve bags. It has herbs, sour cream and onion, crisp and tasty, cheese curls, and popcorn original. I mean, who do Dollar Tree think they are? I mean, these are $5 though. All right. I mean, that's, to me, in my opinion, that's a still deal like holy fair. Now, 10 bags of popcorn, multi-pack, 80 calories. I don't know if that mattered to you, but these are $5, and it says forever good. So Dollar Tree said, I know you've been calling us out on, the expiration date, but look, forever good. I don't know if they can be forever good. There's oxymoron. Forever good, $5. So, listen, remember how I said I'm going to give you nothing but the Still Deals trips for real? I said that, Linda. I said that. If you was listening, I said that. Listen. This, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells and like I'm in heaven. Okay, literally in heaven. This smells so good. Now, Harvest Pumpkin Scented Candle. Look at the shape of this. Now, this is Dollar Tree Fall Collection. The lady at the Dollar Tree yesterday, she told me, but I didn't see these at the Dollar Tree over where I was at yesterday. These are new and improved. These are $5. These are, look at that. I mean, not for nothing. They kind of all smell the same, okay? I mean, they all kind of smell the same. Now, this one is Autumn Cranberry. Let's see about this. Maybe the Honey Crisp smells a little different. I mean, they all kind of smell the same. I mean, not a bad way. But if you see the different colors, you thinking like, oh, maybe they all gonna smell different. No, they smell pretty much all the same. But the scent of them, oh my goodness, is so divine. It smells absolutely amazing. Now, let's see how this one smells. They all smell the same, child. If I could be honest, they all smell the same, my loves. All the same. Now, yesterday, I had smelled these. This is part of their fall collection too. All right. I don't know what this has a peculiar scent to it. I can't put my hands on it. Not a bad scent. I just can't put my hands on what it smells like. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad. What really gets me with these is definitely the packaging. That's what really gets it. But I mean, they all smell the same, in my opinion. You come on down to Dollar Tree and you let me know if they smell different to you. But all right, family, you asked for it. Dollar Tree is out here delivering honey. Have you guys seen this? This is the Freeman Indonesian coconut face mask and scrub exfoliating. When I tell you, they are out here doing it. Now, you want to make sure you get on down to Dollar Tree. Gently polishes skin for smooth complexion. $1.25. Check this out. All right, my love. So you guys are looking for new and improved items right now. Remember a few weeks ago, I told you guys about the Freeman with the hyaluronic acid and magnesium renewing. This is a night cream. Normally is like $6 to $7. Dollar Tree has this for $1.25. And when I tell you this is good, it's not sticky. You ever use the cream that's like kind of sticky? This definitely isn't it. It has like a consistency, like a light consistency. Really, really good, light, $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for something to remove your makeup, it would be definitely this. This is from Extra Care Micellar Cleansing Water, all-in-one. Cleanses, removes makeup, soothes skin, safe for face, lips, and eyes. No wrenching, rubbing, or residue. $1.25. All right, my loves, I hope you guys ready. You ready for this? Linda, you better get on ready, okay? Get your notepad, get your pen, get whatever it is. You could get the dog if you want, all right? because I am going to show you guys all the new items that Dollar Tree has right now, and you are definitely going to like this. Check this out. Now, remember I told you guys about the Nads that they sell this at Sephora, at Ulta, and it's normally $14.99, right? This is wax, but check this out. So, they have two different types. They have the wax beads refill, and then they have the Eco Salon wax with organic hemp oil, total body hair removal that's good for you and the environment. Now, the cool thing about this one is this. Somebody already opened it, honey. They have it like this, you see? Really, really nice. And I guess you only put just a certain amount. Like if you plan on waxing or whatever, you just put a certain amount. This one is the beads. You guys seen that experiment when I waxed myself, my underarms for the first time, honey? Whoo, child, that was something, wasn't it? $1.25. Absolutely love this. Instead of paying a $14.99, you come to Dollar Tree. If they have the Nads, remember, this is an Ulta item. Another hit item is this new Yes to Grapefruit Brightening Daily Exfoliating Tonic Glow Boosting. This is $1.25. Used daily for glowing results. Absolutely love this. So you said you want the new, you said, Dina, I just want the new items, just the new items. And I said, girlfriend, I got you. Okay, I'm going to give you the new items. All right, I see them. I'm going to deliver. Now, Dollar Tree and Freeman, honey, they have Freeman galore up in Dollar Tree. Now, the Pore Cleansing Peel Off Gel Mask, Volcano Ash, Detoxify. This is normally, I believe I seen it on Walmart for like $6 to $7. Dollar Tree has this for $1.25. No harsh chemicals. Really, really cool. This is nice. Another amazing new item is this nail dryer fast drying from Onyx Professional. This is $1.25. It has an island coconut scent. This is a steal deal because we know Onyx is a name brand, okay? And for $1.25, this is a steal. Now, yesterday I did a review on Eben, I think that's how you pronounce it. These lip colors right here. Now, I just did one. I did the red. Honey, wait, hold on. This is two different. This one is the red, and I think I got the burgundy. But burgundy one, it was still good for $1.25. I absolutely love the applicator that you put the lip gloss on with. Oh my goodness, it's so good. But they also have the gel lip liners over here, and normally you'll find a color that go exactly with the lip gloss, but in this case I only see purple and pink. They probably brought all the red out. They also have the 28 Basic Beauty Assorted Sponges. I think this is definitely a steal deal for $1.25. That is so amazing. Alright, so this is new. This is BioPure Anti-Dandruff Shampoo with coconut. Now, compared to the active ingredients of Head and Shoulder, let's get this a sniff. Definitely smell just like coconut. Just like coconut. Now, I don't know how I feel about the bottle. You get what I'm saying? I don't know how I feel about that bottle. But, honey, it smells just like coconut. Now, it says it hydrates dry scalp, soothes itchiness, gently cleanses, and reduces inflammation. Now, another new find that I had seen at Dollar Tree was this. And what do you guys think this is? What a dupe of, okay? Yes, it is the how you say that? Garnier? Honey, don't get me to lying. All right, compared to Whole Food Blends Natural Honey Bliss Repairing Shampoo, and this is $1.25, I believe. Okay, I like the way this smells. This one smells good as well. You know, I be a little picky when it comes to putting stuff in my hair from the Dollar Tree. You know, no offense, Dollar Tree. You know, I just be a little picky because I done use some things, and honey, just say it didn't go along with my curl pattern. Okay? All right, let's move on. My loves, the bath enhancers by far the best of the best. Now, these normally $4.99, but Dollar Tree has these for $1.25, and they have different ones. They have the coconut oil, jojoba oil, the rose, the vitamin C, the lavender melatonin. They also have the peppermint for $1.25. You want to know how much these go for? $4.99 at Walmart. Dollar Tree has them for $1.25. If you was to get 3 of these from Walmart, these are $14.99. Dollar Tree, honey, you're gonna be spending like what, $4 on this? This is definitely a steal, and they had went viral on the internet. How about that? Now, another item that Dollar Tree has, I see a lot of the Onyx house and also Freeman at Dollar Tree, okay? So they have the Onyx bathhouse bubble bath champagne, this is $1.25. They also have these bath gift sets, 5 pieces, honey pear with Moroccan oil, and it includes the bath bomb, the bubble bath powder, the reusable wine glass, check them out, $1.25, and the makeup cloth. This is nice. Now, I know we doing nothing but new items, but honey, if you know, you know. The shower gel Amber Road, definitely by far the best of the best for $1.25. Honey, it puts the rest of the body washes to rest. These are so good, and it smells absolutely amazing, the Amber Road. Now, if you guys are looking for USB ward tabs, Dollar Tree definitely has them. The block USB ward tab. These are, I believe, $1.50 because they have that red sticker on it. They also have the assorted cable management kit. This is $1.25. It don't have no red sticker on here, and I guess this is to help you like manage the cables and stuff like that, like the wires. Yeah, because it has the slits over here. This is good for $1.25. You get 7 pieces. This is a steal deal in my opinion. Alright, so Dollar Tree is definitely showing out. You see, they have the Dippin' Dots Sundays, okay? Now, these are $5, the cookies and cream. I always tell you guys, make sure you come to the frozen aisle, like the freezer part, because they be having some hits, okay, back here. $5, honey, that's a deal. Now, my loves, I know a few of you guys said that you have not seen the LED semi-curl gel nail strips, and a lot of you guys have been looking for these. In my opinion, when they put these in Dollar Tree, they sell out so quick, especially that gel lamp, that LED lamp that Dollar Tree is carrying. They sell out quick. So they have 3 of these left, okay? And I'm quite sure this box was filled up. If you don't see it at your Dollar Tree, my love, see if they have it at another Dollar Tree not too far from you, because these are so good. Now, 12 pieces. Now, one of the things I am going to say is when you put these on and you put your nails up under the LED lamp, do not put your hands right away in the water, because it's gonna come off. Right, it may come off, because I noticed that with my daughter nails, okay? But these are so good, and they better than nail polish, because nail polish, you know, is gonna chip and stuff like that. These, in my opinion, they are good, especially with that lamp. And the lamp is $1.25. I mean, that is just unheard of. $1.25 for an LED gel lamp, the best of the best. Other cool items that Dollar Tree has is this electronic balloon pump. If you don't want to use one of these, I was saying that this is good in my opinion. I mean, if you blowing up a whole bunch of balloons, I mean, maybe it's best to get the electronic balloon pump. Now, the electronic balloon pump, this is $17, all right? But they also have the plastic balloon pump. I say if you're doing about like 5 to 10 balloons, I don't think that this is bad. $1.25. Now, they come in different colors. They have, to be exact, 2 different colors. They have the red and also the blue. Make sure you guys are checking out Dollar Tree balloon party owl, okay? This is giving me Party City vibes. Now, they have the 4-yard balloon sticks over here. Really cool. They also have these gift bags. We done seen this time and time again, honey. They also have the balloon towers over here, 3 feet. Really cool. And then they also have the balloon hoop. honey, we gotta get hot poop, okay? 12 balloon sticks up at the top. Those are $1.25. That is a still deal like Holyfield. And I don't see, you know, they done brought all the, I mean, how many parties could it have been? I just was in here a few days ago. All right, well, to be exact, probably about a week ago. All right, about a week ago. Now, they also have these cool items right here, the 8 jungle mask. I absolutely love this, $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield, you know, for the little boys. Okay, 4 badges, $1.25. You got the wall decor. Why break the bank if you don't have to? Let's go. Well, oh, I like these little party hats. These are cute for $1.25, honey. We having a jungle theme party, all right? Really, really nice. Now, a few other items that Dollar Tree has, especially back to school, they have these lap trays over here. These are $5. They also have these poster markers with washable ink. I think these are really, really cool. $1.25. I don't see that little red sticker on here, so I'm saying $1.25. And it has 2 different colors. Okay, this is cool. I like this. They have the chisel tip, and then they also have the bullet tip. Really, really nice. All right, my loves. Man, did they have so many new items. Lordy. So, that Freeman, the Indonesian, the face wash definitely was good. What else did they have? Those popcorns, those, honey, that was a hit, okay? And especially those candles, definitely a hit. Now, you know what? I'm going to go and get that Freeman. I'm going to go get the Freeman face wash. I'm going to just go on ahead and get it. Let's see how that is, honey.